Hello, good morning, all of my students. Hope you have got through to yesterday's lesson, what I have given you. Today, there is a discussion regarding what I've told you regarding the interrogative voice changes and some about the narration. Let me tell you the narration total description I will upload today. Maybe there might be a miscommunication between the last class and today's class or the previous class. So you need to re-edit the problem and just transfer me. So I'm going to upload the document may be repeated, so take care of it, consider it. It might be a mistake from my end as I am not getting it completely clear whether I have uploaded or not. So I'm going to upload it completely, all the parts. Hopefully I have uploaded. In spite of that, I'm going to upload that all the parts of narration. And then I'm coming to the point of your asking, that is interrogative voice change. I told you as earlier. Hopefully I'm going to upload the interrogative voice in the description also. If you want to do the interrogative voice changes, if you want to solve it, actually you need to know what is an assertive sentence and what is an interrogative sentence. So at first, an assertive sentence is subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object plus rest. This is a very simple concept. I'm going to tell you that. Take care of it. That assertive sentence means is equal to subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object plus rest. But when it comes to the interrogative sentence, you have to change subject in the place of helping verb in the place of subject. Helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object plus rest. This is very simple concept. Just take it. I'll give you the description. Okay, I'll give you in writing. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object plus rest. That is assertive sentence. When it comes in interrogative, helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object plus rest. That is the idea. Okay. So in interrogative sentence, if you are asked to change the voice, take an example. Are you writing a story? The simple, write down. Are you writing a story? Simple, it is a sentence. Are you writing a story? Now you have to make it assertive. You are writing a story. The question commonly comes, why? Because till now we have done assertive sentence, voice changes in assertive sentence. But certainly it is not possible for us to transform the interrogative sentences voice changes. Clear? It is not possible for us to do, right? So when I am writing, are you writing a story? You have to transform it into you are writing a story. Just change the subject at its earliest place. That means you have to change it into an assertive sentence. You are writing a story. Now the object is a story and it is present continuous tense. A story is being written by you. A story is being written by you. That's all. Now, is a story being written by you? Note of interrogation. What I have told you. First, you are given a problem in interrogative sentence. Next step, you have to transform it into the assertive sentence. Now again, you have to make it interrogative. Are you writing a story? You are writing a story. A story is being written by you. Is a story being written by you? Are you writing a story? Assertive sentence, you are writing a story. A story is being written by you, it is voice change. Is a story being written by you? Clear? So, hopefully, one thing I hope I made clear. Sorry, my spectacle is not, doesn't support me today. Something, there might be a gap, okay. Take care of it. Doesn't matter. So, I'd like to tell you one thing. Another example. Do you like sweets? The problem is, do you like sweets? You like sweets. Okay? Clear? Sweets are liked by you. Are sweets liked by you? Clear? So in any way, whenever the interrogative sentences are there, you have to make it assertive. Then you need to voice change them. Then you have to transform it again interrogative, so that it can be very easier for you to understand, solve the interrogative voices. Otherwise, it might be a trouble. How to solve and when to solve? This is a lot of questions might be arising in your mind. Okay. So whenever you are given a problem in interrogative sentence to change the voice, first you have to change it into assertive sentence, then change the voice, then again interrogative. Okay. Why have you done this work? WH word. First, hold the WH word. Don't need to write that. First, make it assertive. You have done this work. Clear? Good. Now, object is this work. This work has been done by you. Present perfect tense. Why has this work been done by you? Or why has been this work done by you? Clear? So, in any case, anyway, you have to take care only the formulas that I have already given you. Go through the formulas, try to take them down and read comprehensively. Send me the informations, whatever you can, and I will later on get you in touch. So today's video, it's about the voice changes. Take them down. I have given you interrogative voice change examples. Tomorrow hopefully I'll upload all the examples, but today I'm going to upload the voice change narrations examples. Okay, so that's, I think I have made myself clear. Hope. And you are asked to send your information, send your thoughts through comments box. Okay, and your liking, of course, whatever you have gone through, whatever is your problem, just send me through the comment box. Okay, I'm very much hopeful for your reply, and it's very much liking that all of the students are replying much in a number. So we are meeting soon. Take care. From the next class, hopefully we are going to complete the rest of the part of the narration with lots of examples. Take care.